Recipe.
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 Recipe is a noun. As a noun, recipe can mean 1. A formula for preparing or using a medicine, a prescription, also, a medicine prepared from such instructions. 2. Any set of instructions for preparing a mixture of ingredients. 3. By extension, a plan or procedure to obtain a given end result, a prescription. 4. Now especially, a set of instructions for making or preparing food dishes. 5. A set of conditions and parameters of an industrial process to obtain a given result.
Which is basically a recipe for disaster.